Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet this lovely headband. It measures just over 9 inches by 5 inches, but you can make this into any size you want. The braiding pattern is available, the link is in the description box. For this project, you can use any types of yarn. This is a number 4 medium acrylic yarn, and you also need a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, and yarn needle. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a chain in multiple of 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. My chain is going to be 20 plus 3, so total 23 chains. To begin the first row, start on the second chain from hook. That's 1, 2, this one. Place a single crochet. Insert. This is personal preference that I'm using 2 loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, single crochet into the next chain. Single crochet. And single crochet into every chain all the way across. Total 22 stitches. To begin row 2, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and turn. And this counts as a stitch. In the 5th chain from hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this one. Place a front post triple crochet. That's yarn over twice. Insert around the post like this. Yarn over, pull up a loop. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And again, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Skip 1, skip 2, triple crochet. Yarn over twice. Insert into 2 loops. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. One chain. Go back 1, 2. In this stitch, place a triple crochet. Yarn over twice. Insert into 2 loops. Bring the hook in front of the previous stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And we just created an X stitch. Now you can see it better like this. In the next stitch, place a front post triple crochet. And we're going to insert around this post like this. And again, in the next stitch, front post triple crochet. Then skip 1, skip 2, triple crochet. Make sure to insert into 2 loops. One chain, go back 1, 2 stitches. In this stitch, triple crochet. And make sure to bring the hook in front of the previous stitch. And front post, triple crochet. Front post, triple crochet. And repeat this all the way to the end. At the end of row 2, I just did a front post triple crochet. In the last stitch, place a triple crochet. Insert into 2 loops. And this row is complete. To begin row 3, 1 chain and turn. In the first stitch, place a single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. In between the X stitch here, place a single crochet and single crochet into every stitch all the way across. At the end of row 3, single crochet and single crochet into the top of the 3 chains. Total 22 stitches. To begin row 4, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and turn, and this counts as a stitch. In the 5th chain from hook, that's this one, move 1 row down. On this post, place a front post triple crochet. So insert around the post like this and pull up the loop. Make sure to pull up the loop. And then skip 1, skip 2, triple crochet in the next stitch. Insert into 2 loops. One chain, move 2 stitches back and place a triple crochet. And remember to bring the hook in front of the previous stitch. Front post triple crochet, and front post triple crochet. Basically, this is the repeat of row 2. Skip 1, skip 2, triple crochet, one chain, move 2 stitches back, triple crochet, and repeat this all the way across, and I meet you at the end of the row. At the end of row 4, front post, triple crochet, and triple crochet into the last stitch. Insert into 2 loops, and this row is complete. Row 5 is the repeat of row 3, 1 chain, and turn. Place a single crochet into every stitch all the way across. Repeat the last 2 rows until it is long enough to go around your head. The final row is a single crochet. After the last stitch, 1 chain, and leave a long tail, then cut yarn. I stopped at 20 inches. My head size is 22 inches, so you want to make it about 2 inches smaller than the actual head size. This is the right side, and this is the wrong side. Place the right side facing up and fold the ends in half. Place the ends in between each other like this. Now we have 4 layers, and we are going to stitch the 4 layers together. I'm only stitching the edges together. Once it's done, flip it from inside out, and ta-da! The headband is complete. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!